Good morning and welcome to episode 47 of Getting Rich. I'm your host, Rich Checkan, president of Asset Strategies International, and today is Wednesday, October 6th, 2021. We're going to switch things up here a little bit today, and I am going to give you no prices whatsoever for the precious metals. And I'm doing it to make an important point. Price doesn't matter. We are looking at gold the wrong way. We are measuring it with a flawed measuring device, either euro, yen, or the US dollar more commonly. And to kind of drive that point home, I want you to understand that any measuring device, whether it be for time, length, or worth or value, needs to be consistent and reliable. The dollar is none of those things. It varies all the time due to mismanagement. When we measure time, we have an atomic clock so we can have the absolute perfect measure of time. We have precision rulers to measure length. And I always use the example, if I measure my desk with a 12-inch ruler, and I come up with, say, 6 feet. If I chop an inch off the end of that ruler and I measure it again the next day, it's going to seem like the desk is larger than 6 feet. But what happened really is my measuring device shrunk. The desk didn't grow all of a sudden overnight. The same thing is happening with the measure of gold or anything with the US dollar. It is a measuring device for value or worth that keeps losing value over time through mismanagement. If we flip things around and we start measuring value and worth with gold, you'll see that the dollar lost 99% of its purchasing power since the Federal Reserve was created in 1913. That is all due to mismanagement. That is a flawed measuring device. We need to start measuring things with gold, and we need to understand that prices in fiat currencies mean very, very little. If you want to see the value of gold, you want to measure all assets in gold, and you will see that is a consistent, reliable measure of worth. It's kind of like cryogenically freezing purchasing power for the future. So no prices here today. I just want you to understand this. If you buy gold for the right reasons, there is no such thing as the wrong price or the wrong time. You are getting that consistent store of value regardless. So as always, please join YouTube channel, like us, follow us on social media, subscribe to our various newsletters, and don't ever forget that getting rich starts with keeping what's yours.